Keeping an eye on the packages that are actually on your Linux servers can be a daunting task. It's one of those things where you can have multiple repositories, you can download the repos via yum or apt-get or any other way, and then keeping track of which ones come onto your system and who installed them when can be kind of important, especially if security is in mind. So let me show you how to monitor those with SolarWinds Server Configuration Monitor. From the Orion home screen, we're going to go to My Dashboards and then Server Configuration. From here, we can either go to Assign Configuration Profiles or to Server Configuration Monitor Settings. From the Manage Profile page, we want to select Linux Essentials, and we want to assign that to a Linux server. You can select multiple servers or just search for one. Check the box, hit Next, assign the profiles, and that's it. The Linux Essential profile actually encompasses lots of different tests, looking at your repositories, looking at your listening ports, looks at the packages you have installed. So it goes over a whole thing. But let me show you what it does specifically when we talk about repositories and packages. So if we look here on this particular machine, let me scroll down, we see there was a change yesterday at 11:29 p.m. So I can actually click on that and get the details. So you can see that this file didn't exist yesterday at 11:28, but did yesterday at 11:29, where it added a new repository for distributions. So if you want to see the actual packages, we can scroll to the bottom and find the package list. And here you can see yesterday at 11:41 p.m., PowerShell LTS 7.0 was installed. The beauty of something like this, although it seems very, very simple, is that you actually have tracking through every step of the process, whether people add packages, whether they open up ports, whether they've changed repositories, whether they've added stuff into your etc. All of these things are actually really important. And in the case that there's a problem, gives you the ability to roll back cleanly and easily.